since my boots didn't offer much water this week, they are going to be fairly. All that to get the shot. So that's where we are. You saw the sign. We were going to go to Stockghyll, but I think that might be a little bit too long and too dangerous for the party that I'm with, and I don't really want to risk it. So this is a lot closer. I went to grab some food at Daisy's Cafe, I believe it is. I'm telling you, it's in the Lake District in Ambleside. If you haven't been to Daisy's, you need to get yourself down there. Value for money, and there's so much food and it's so nice. We couldn't really finish our food off. Beautiful. So here we've got a few waterfalls and a few formations going on. I've not been here before. It's not a far walk from the car, but what you have to do is get one of those parking disc things that tells you how long you've been there. So we just went down to the shop. There's this news agent around the corner. They're absolutely free. I grabbed one and just put it in the car. Here's one waterfall, which I think we can come back to. I'll show you just now. There you are. And what I think I'm going to do is carry on to the next bit of falls, which I think are really, really nice. I'm loving this bag so far. I mean, I am feeling it with my shoulders, but with them being quite wide, you don't feel all the weight on them. It's quite good. Brought the filters out with me and gonna have a play. Got some kits for these lot so they don't miss out. This will probably be the second shot, probably first favourite shot of the day. I don't know, we'll have to see. And right, follow the red arrows. This is the way to the waterfall. Okay, let's see what else we can well, let's see how it goes. That shot's done, nice and easy. All I'm using is a 3-stop medium grad with nothing else. That's it, just to balance out the top half of the image, which is basically shooting now in portrait mode. If you have a look, it gets really bright over here. I just zoom in a little bit for you. And when I put the filter in, it just balances that image perfectly. So the kind of results we're getting are that. There you go, that's the shot. And it's lovely, I like it. It is at a higher aperture because I didn't want I don't really want to be faffing around too many filters. I want to get off because I want to get my shot, move along. So what I'm shooting at is 2 seconds f18, and I've actually taken my ISO to 50 as well. Should give me a nicer, sharper look, and we've got this beautiful rays of light just coming in as well, which is quite nice. I'm going to move out the way quickly while Alex gets a shot as well, and I'll let these guys get a shot because the lights go in quite quick. So I'll show you what I've got going on over here. Now you've all heard of the new Nisi app, the P1, which is this mobile filter, and I'm actually taking some like long exposures with it. So I've got on here the 3-stop ND filter, and I'm using a free app which is called Yamada, and in here basically you can have your settings however you want them, and I am on custom, and I've pushed my, if you have a look, whoops, I'll just show you. I pushed my shutter speed up a bit. Now it is a mobile phone, so you're going to get so much out of it. ISO is at its lowest base, and now my shutter is going down to 1. I don't really know what that means. Let's come up a bit. There we are. And if I slide the ND filter, you can see how that changes. So all I'm doing is, there's my finger, I'm sliding, and you can see again lighter and darker. That is the effect of the actual filter itself. And I've got it on 3-second timer. So take the shot, and there it is. That is quite a nice shot, if I don't say so myself. So if you zoom into that shot, you can see that long exposure coming through. I know I used to always talk about the long exposure app, but unfortunately that one isn't available because the guys haven't actually made an update, so it doesn't work on the new iOS, and it's not available on the iTunes store. What I've also done now is, as it's getting a bit darker, I've mixed things up a bit. I'm using a 3-stop grad and a medium grad ND, and I'm using 15 seconds f16 to get that. And those colours, in my opinion, are just absolutely stunning. So it's been a good day. I mean, I'm not going to get a lot more now really. We're just going to go for sunset somewhere. I mean, we're not going to get a shot probably. Head towards Windermere, or maybe Coniston or somewhere. See what the jetty's doing. Hang about there for a bit, and then probably head home lately because we're going Wales tomorrow hopefully. So it's been a good day. I really hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I don't think I'm going to carry on in the evening. This is like, guys, I really want to thank Nabila over here for the food this morning. Thank you so much. You made so much food for us. It's unbelievable. Thanks to Alex for coming along. He's driving tomorrow. And then Manhor is a new friend who's about here somewhere taking a shot. So thanks everybody for coming. It's been fantastic. We've had a really good day out. We've had fun. And now we're going to get off. So until next time, guys, like, subscribe, comment, share, all the rest. Good to see you. Keep smiling. I love you a lot. Bye. So for this over here, nothing special. I'm just using the polarizer to just darken some of the water. That's all I'm really doing. And no filters. F16 13 seconds, giving me quite a nice exposure. There we are. And you can see the camera in the shot there, so I'm going to take another one. So I've had to just come through the actual water there, and it was a bit scary. I panicked a tiny bit. But another shot, ISO 50, 13 seconds, F16, lovely.